media Smart dengan Smart FM, dia mengatakan bahwa sebuah ajang untuk bagaimana selain besar dari beberapa tahun terakhir dia berkunjung, dan menurut Suryo, Makassar merupakan salah satu
Firstly, I would like to say welcome to the Honorable Mr. Sunil Babu, the Consul General of India. Thank you, sir, for coming here. And saya juga ingin menyampaikan selamat datang kepada Bapak Sekretaris Daerah, Bapak Insinyur Muhammad Ansar, MSI, dan Ibu Ketua Dharma Wanita, Ibu Andi Batari Toja. Selamat datang, Pak. Selamat datang, Bu. Saya juga IDY. First one is
about yoga. It's a way of life, healthy way of life. I have to elaborate on the benefits of yoga because all of you have been practicing it for a long time. So I'll give my screenshot. Anna Muhammad Rasulullah. Yang terhormat Bapak Konsulat Jenderal India yang berkedudukan di Kota Bali, Bapak Sunil Babu beserta seluruh jajaran. Total attention on your eyes closed. And attention on your breath. You may now open your eyes. Very important thing. Can this sound little less? Anyone from you having any serious illness like high blood pressure or heart trouble into your body allows you. Do not try to copy the person beside you or in front of you. Let's stand on your mat. We'll start with simple yoga on your waist. Breathe out. Take a deep breath. Breathe in. Take back. Neck back. Breathe out. Do it easily. Stop. Stop. We'll go for the second variation. Second variation. Keep your feet around 6 inches apart. As much as you can. Now breathe in and come back to the normal. Breathe out. Right side. Right and left. Slowly and slowly. Stay there. Five, four. Important joint in our body, shoulder joint. Keep your hands beside your thighs. Feet will remain same. Do it with the caution. Complete awareness. Total concentration on your kriya. Okay, stop, stop, and relax. Your turn. Do not raise your feet. Now come back with inhalation to the normal. Right side. Come back and breathe in. Breathe out, down, down, down.
Kemudian ASSTB MTA, Kadis Pemuda dan Olahraga.
We believe that
the choice of Makassar was the right choice to expand beyond Bali. With the city of Makassar, so it was a natural choice when we decided to expand the activities of the International Day of Yoga beyond Bali. So we made the request, and the administration Makassar was very extremely helpful in organizing everything in such a short time, and I'm happy to see the
kita bantu secara maksimal
Iya.
dan saya pikir perkembangan ini sangat membantu perkembangan olahraga yoga di Kota Makassar. Seperti kita tahu bahwa olahraga yoga ini sudah berkembang di kota-kota besar. Bicara kota besar itu juga termasuk Kota Makassar tentu saja. Dan seperti yang kita lihat antusiasme komunitas-komunitas yoga pada saat ini tadi luar biasa. Dan olahraga ini memang unik karena berfokus, ini olahraga olah tubuh yang berfokus kepada kekuatan, tapi fleksibilitas juga, terus kemudian dengan ketenangan. Saya pikir ini yang panasan gitu kan, ikut olahraga yoga ini bisa menjadi tenang dan damai gitu.
Timur Indonesia setelah Bali, ya setelah Bali. Saya kira tadi kita sudah langsung praktek, ya kita sudah praktek dan kelihatannya yoga itu ringan, tapi kalau dilaksanakan berat.
great help given by the administration in Makassar as well as the people by turning up in such numbers. So I hope that next year we are able to come back and do it on a bigger scale. Makassar, terima kasih banyak.
Pak Konjen, ya di tahun depan kalau kita selenggarakan dibuat lebih besar lagi apa yang kita lihat pada hari ini.
Oke.